Fed minutes and gold shorts are the news of the day. We come into today with equity peaks on 6 out of 9 portfolios yesterday, and on Monday a 7th one hit a equity peak. So down day to day, some slightly down, some down a little bit more. So let's go over the trades. FOMC minutes, market sells off. Tick count trend, we've had some trouble with this one in the past. It's coming back, doing really well this month, showing gains of about 1,400 per contract on this strategy this month after it's gone through a drawdown. And so choppy month, and tick count trend 2V2, 1M, and 5M are capturing the trades. You see trades like this taking place days like this when the market's really choppy. And so that's the kind of market environment we're in. We had a wide-ranging choppy day today, and it did well. So like this strategy still. The 5-minute version also took a short trade. And so choppy price action, tick count trend here, profitable, loss, profitable. So that's the 5-minute version. Trades less frequently. And so those are some highlights on the day, capturing the chop. Adaptive moving average did not get short. It should have rolled over. I mean, it's not technically, there was no technical error, but I would have thought that, this kind of price action would have had us getting short in here, but it didn't quite meet the criteria. So down on the day, minus 937.50, and just that kind of a market that's tough to trade with the trend, such as adaptive moving average. Night trader, it's been on a roll lately, and got in last night, and we're just up against resistance up here. We hit new highs yesterday. Closing highs hit new intraday highs today. Fed minutes, it sells off. So one of the reasons why we have a big stop loss, though, is oftentimes in this kind of market environment, it will pull back. We'll have a steep pullback and then rally. So down 950 right now. It's going to hold until it's that $1,500 stop loss or $700 profit target. So once again, not really a lot of trades. You see the tick count trend 2V2, 1M, adaptive moving average, night trader. They're the only ones that traded in this workspace today, so not a lot of trades. All strategy access 2. Now, we just talked about SR counter trends in our video this morning and how they've underperformed. They were one of the highlights of today as well. SR counter trend 2 NQ plus 775 captured this pullback and hit that profit target early. And then you had SR counter trend 2 V2 1M. 5M and 15M all hitting profit targets of 475, and then you had 60-minute breakout, had its first loss in a while. 8 out of the last 9 trades before that were winners, and then Asia 4 long on the ES hit this. So it was it's up on the day. It took a long time to get that $1,500 profit target. Got long on the 12th. Took a whole week. We're not used to holding trades that long. That's a very long time for us to hold a trade. This was long, and this was even longer to get to that 30-point profit target. It has to do with decreasing volatility and running into resistance. And so those are the trades in this workspace. A little bit more active today in this workspace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strategies that took signals today. And all of these were profitable in this workspace except for a 60-minute breakout. So all strategy access 3, Cobra Euro 4, big day plus 962.50, gold flash. This took several nice trades, or 2 winners and 1 loser actually. So you had this winner here, winner, loser, winner, and the micros I think only took this one and this one. The micros take slightly different trades sometimes because the price action in gold when it moves fast like this is a little bit different. Asia Gold 4 won yesterday, lost today, minus 1,025. But the shorts today in gold were the big news. Big range in gold. Asia Gold 4 short plus 975 on the day. You see that trade going short at 2015. Covering at 2005. The high today was 2015.60. The low was 1941.10. So over 50 points, 55 point range, I guess. 39 plus 15 is 54, 55 points. So big range in gold. It's actually a 74-point range. I did the math wrong. It's been a long day. Looking at the screen too long. 74-point range in gold today. Soybeans swing down on the day. Got long in here, holding this position overnight. And Esther countertrend to soybeans. This is, for some reason, this plots into the next day. And it did not trade today, so sometimes it plots this extra slippage and commission factor of minus 25 into the next day, even though it didn't trade. So no trades there. Let's look at all strategy XS4. Cobra Crude aggressive minus 55. Asia Gold 4 2020 minus 1,025. Esther countertrend 3. Natural gas. Natural gas has some tone to it. Looks like it's going to move higher. Looks like we could come into a natural gas bull market. Might look at some more strategies related to natural gas. Plus 280 on the day. Nice entry. I like that entry. And another short in gold, Cobra Gold. So Cobra Gold and Asia Gold 4 short capture these moves in this massive 75-point range. It's just such a big range. Early in the day, the S&P it was only at 10.5 points. From here to here was 10.5 points, and then it broke down after the FOMC minutes. You see when the FOMC minutes came out. So Cobra 3s have not traded much. The advanced decline line has been narrow. And let's look at all strategy XS. We looked at 4. Let's look at all strategy XS 5. No trades today. And all strategy XS 6. This 60-minute breakout it's short right now. So you see we got short here. It was short, long, reversed to short, 33.79.25. Profit target at 33.59.25. So we'll see if we can get that or if it'll reverse alongside. So we're short, 60-minute breakout, and we are long. We're still long night trader. So that keeps it flat if you're trading both night trader and 60-minute breakout. So one is long, one is short. And let's look at tick fader. It's had a losing trade here, kind of a scratch, and then a stopped out yesterday at the lows. Discouraging always to see getting stopped out at the lows, and then hit his profit target today, plus 375 today. So those are the trades on the day. Some give back, and once again, nice shorts on gold. And where is gold going? I know 1790 is potentially a support level. A lot of stops at that level. And so 1790, look for gold. Maybe another 150 points lower than this is possible in gold. 1790 to 1750 could be support if the bull market is still intact. And we won't know that unless it bounces from here. So those are the trades on the day.